Dear students, today we will solve the exercise of chapter number 5th for class 5th, and the name of chapter is what? Working with styles and objects. So firstly we will complete the exercise, then we will complete the question answers of this chapter. So let's come to the point, that is fill in the blanks first. So let's open page number 53 where the exercise is being started. So first blank is what? What are two types of styles? So what we have to fill here? And first we have to fill character, then we have to fill paragraph. So the answer will be here, character and paragraph are the two types of styles. Second fill in the blanks, that is by default the typed text is based on what type of style? That is based on normal style. So right here normal is second. Third is lines, basic shapes, block arrows are the options of what button? These are the options of shape button. So right here shape. Now open next page of this chapter. Now open next page. At page number 54 we are coming for the fourth, that is which tool is used for coloring a drawing object? For this shape fill tool is used. So write in fourth, that is shape fill. Fifth is what? What feature allows to create spatial text effects? That is word art. So right here word art. And last is here, what is the placeholder where text can be entered? That is text box. So right here text box. Now come to the next exercise, that is true and false. So here we will do true and false. I am writing here numbers. There are 4 and 5 true false. So I am writing here 5 numbers, up to 5 numbers. So first is here, to maintain the height and width ratio of an object, hold down the control key. No, it is false. Shift key is used for that. Next is shape fill tool is used to fill colors in an object. Yes, it is correct. Next is text cannot be formatted within the text box. No, it could be formatted, so it is false. Fourth is you cannot place text in shapes. We can place the text inside the shapes, so it is also false. Next and last, you can edit text in the word art option. Yes, we can edit, so it is true. Now come to the application based questions of this chapter. So first application based question is what? I am reading. Arushi wants to write a poem on habits in Word document. She wants to apply decorative effect to every single line. Suggest her that how can she apply the special text effect? How that could be done? So it could be by using character style option. Right here, by using character style. Second application based question is, the teacher has asked Varun to make a banner for school feet. Which feature he should use to add ready-made pictures from the gallery? Help him to complete this project. So he should use what? Clip art feature from the gallery. So right here clip art feature. So this is completed. Now come to the next exercise, that is multiple choice questions. So first multiple choice question is, which style affects the selected text within a paragraph? The answer is A option, that is character style. So answer is character style, A option. Second question is, when you draw a text box anew, what tab appears with the text box tools? That is format tab. Right here format, that is B option. Now third MCQ is what? Which key is used while dragging to maintain the height and width ratio of a shape? So the answer is B again, that is shift. Right, shift. B option is incorrect. Now fourth is what? The word art button is present on the what tab? That is easy. It is present on insert tab. That is C option. Now your MCQs are over, so we are coming to the question answers of this chapter. So here is the first question in page number 55, that is, what do you understand by style and how will you apply built-in style to text? I am reading this one. The first answer is, a style is a predefined combination of formatting features that can apply to the selected text in a document to quickly change its appearance. And if you want to apply built-in text style, then you write first point, select the text and click on style dialog box launcher button in home tab. Second, choose the style heading, so your style will be changed. Second question is, what is clip art? So we have discussed before. Answer number second, clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. Now, next question is, what are shapes? So the answer is, shapes are group of ready-made shapes that can be inserted directly into the document. Now, fourth question is, what is the use of word art feature? So, fourth answer is, word art feature is used to create special text effects that gives a unique look to the text. Last question is, what is a text box and how can you resize a text box? So the answer is, a text box is a placeholder to enter text that also can be manipulated, which gives a unique graphical effects. How we will resize the text? First, click on the handles of text box and by holding the mouse button, resize it according to our need. So now your exercise and question answers of this chapter is completed, and next chapter we will do in next video.